My dear students, now we'll see about pollination by animals. When the pollination takes place by animals, it is called zoophily. Some of the animals mainly concerned with the pollination of some of the plants. These are all the animals: birds, bats, snails, insects. They in general pollinate the flowers. Some larger animals also will carry out pollination in some of the plants. Primates, lemurs, some arboreal rodents, gyrophora, garden lizard. They are the larger animals which will carry out pollination in plants. Based on the nature of the animals, types of the animals, there are several types of pollination listed. One is ornithophily. It is pollination carried out by birds. Chiropterophily. It is bat pollination carried out by bats. Malacophily. When pollination takes place by means of snails and slugs, that is malacophily. Entomophily, when pollination takes place by insects, that is called entomophily. When pollination takes place by means of insects, when insects carry out pollination, such a type of pollination is called entomophily type of pollination. Cantherophily, when pollination takes place by beetles, that is called cantherophily. Palanophily, when pollination takes place by moths, that is called palanophily. When pollination takes place by bees, that is malitophily. When pollination takes place by butterflies, that is psychophily. When pollination takes place by ants, that is called myrmecophily. So these are all the 9 types of animal pollination can be seen in plants. Next we will pass on to ornithophily. When pollination takes place by birds, different kinds of birds, that is called ornithophily. A number of birds like hummingbirds, sunbirds, birds of honey eaters, they mainly pollinate flowers in some of the plants. These are all the plants in which birds will pollinate the flowers: erythrina, bombax, syzygium, begonia, sterlingia. These are all the birds pollinated plants. Some of the characteristic features given for ornithophily, that is birds pollination. These are all the characteristic features of the flowers. In flowers only, characteristic feature for ornithophily exhibited. Number 1, flowers are large in size, tubular, cup-shaped, urn-shaped. The flowers will be larger in size. The flowers will be tubular, long tubular funnel-like, and the flowers are cup-shaped, or the flowers are urn-shaped. Urn-shaped means the flowers are larger or enlarged at the middle. Both the ends are narrow. That is the urn-shaped flowers. Corolla will be urn-shaped, tubular corolla, cup-shaped corolla, and these are all several types of corolla will be seen in the flowers. Flowers are brightly colored. Flowers are so colored, one very attractive, maybe red colored, scarlet, pink color, orange, blue and yellow. Flowers will not produce any scent. Sweet smell is the scent. Here The burst pollinated flowers never produce any scent. They never produce the sweet smell, the odor, they won't produce any odor from the flowers. They won't emit any odor from the flowers. They produce nectar in large quantities. What are nectars? Nectars are honey secreting substance, honey-like substance that is called nectar. Nectar will be produced in large quantities. In order to take the nectar, the birds will visit the flowers. When they collect nectar, automatically pollination takes place. Next one, they offer these birds pollinated flowers offer edible pollen and nectar. The pollens are edible pollen. They are the food for the visiting pollinators. The birds will like the pollen grains of these flowers. So in order to collect the edible pollen, in order to collect the honey juice, the nectar, all the birds, the pollinating birds will visit the plant. Then in the case of flowers, birds pollinated flowers, the pods are tough and leather in order to support the bird's pollinator. When the bird's pollinator land on the floral pods, that should be supported. That's why the floral pods are leathery in nature and very tough in nature. That is the characteristic feature. These are all the 6 characteristic features listed for birds pollinating flowers. That is.